students, the next point of the coordination compound is examples of IUPAC nomenclature of coordination compounds. For revision, IUPAC nomenclature of coordination complexes. First, for anionic complexes. Already we have learned about the rules of anionic complexes, nomenclature of anionic complexes. First rule is write the name of ligand first. Second rule is the ligand last name replaced by O. Means here some examples of anionic ligands and IUPAC name. In case of anionic complex, here for example Fe(CN)6 charge is 4 minus. Ligand is cyanide. The ligand name is cyanide. In anionic cyanide IDE placed by O means cyano. Here if bromide Br minus bromide, then IDE placed by O bromo. Again if Cl chloride IDE placed by chloro. Again SO4 2 minus sulfate ATE placed by O means sulfo. This type of ligands in place of IDE placed O, ATE placed O. Only in case of anionic complexes. Means here bromo, chloro, sulfo, nitro, NO3 minus nitro placed by nitrito. NO3 minus means nitrato. Also CO3 2 minus carbonato. CO3 2 minus carbonate means in case of anionic complex bromide placed by bromo, chloro, sulfo, nitrato, carbonate. This is first rule. Means here nomenclature of this compound anionic complex, charge is -4 means complex is anionic. The name of ligands first. Hexa does not write by any space between, means only first word is capital hexa, cyano and metal is iron. In place of iron last is ATE, but only in case of iron there is right ferrate. Means ferrate means after metal place the ATE means ferrate. This compound and also oxidation state in Roman minus Cn having -1 charge, 6Cn having -6 charge and considered as X and net charge is equal to -4 means X is equal to -4 shift to this side, plus 6 means x is equal to 2, means Fe having 2 charge, means in Roman write the 2, and this is ion, therefore after the bracket word is ion. Hexacyanoferrate second ion, means two rule, one is after ligand O and another is after metal Ag, and then oxidation state. Then another example of anionic complex. Another example of anionic complex is first K3 in square bracket aluminium C2O4 3. Find out this compound is anionic, cationic or neutral. It is very simple that outside the square bracket K3, K is positively charged. K positively charged opposite to the bracket, means K plus bracket is minus. Bracket minus, therefore the complex is anionic. Means after dissociation K 3K plus 3 times plus AlC2O4 3K plus, means 3 plus 1K having plus 1, 3K having plus 3, therefore 3 minus, means complex is anionic, means anion, means negative. Therefore the nomenclature rule, first write the nomenclature of compound, first name of ligands, tri and C2O4. C2O4 is the group oxalate. Oxalate means, and first to the sphere potassium, means potassium tetra, means after sphere tetra oxalate and oxalate tetra oxalate. This compound is anionic, therefore in place of ATE write the word O, means oxalato. Oxalato means in place of E the word is O, oxalato. Then aluminium and in case of anionic complex last is AT after metal. Aluminate Um is placed by AT, aluminate, after which the charge C2O4, one C2O4 having -2 charge, oxalato having -2 charge, therefore 3 groups having -6 charge. Sorry, C2O4 having one C2O4 having -2 charge, therefore AlX. This calculation from dissociation. Here -6, sphere is -2, also X. Here also we calculate K having 1K having plus 1, 3K having plus 3, plus is equal to 0. 3 shift to the side, -3 plus -6 shift to the side, plus 6 means answer is 3. Here also -6 shift to the side, plus 6 means X is equal to plus 3, means cobaltate 3. This is the IUPAC nomenclature of anionic complexes. Then cationic complexes. Rules for nomenclature of cationic complexes. Cationic complexes like CO, H2O, NH3, 5I3. CO, NH2, H2O, NH3, 5I3. The name of ligands first. Amine and H2 means echo. Both are by A. Means here the first name amine. After A double M, here A Q. Q is after then M. Therefore amine. The name of ligand first. Pentaamine. Double M. Amine. H2O means aqua. Aqua. Pentaamine, aqua, cobalt. This is cationic. Positive means I minus, therefore whole bracket is plus. Means complex is positively charged. Means pentaamine, aqua, cobalt, aqua, cobalt. This compound having minus 3 charge. Iron, I minus 3, 0, 0, x is equal to, means is equal to 0, means x is equal to 3 shift to the side plus 3, means cobalt 3. There is no any Ate last to the metal because of the complex is cationic. This is nomenclature of cationic complex. In cationic complex, no any Ate after metal and ligands write as it is.